Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The governing JLP is attracting fierce support across the different age demographics, while the opposition PNP maintains its hold on older voters ahead of local government elections due by February next year. That's the word from the CEO of Market Research Services Limited, Don Anderson. Anderson made the revelation while commenting on his recent poll, which found the JLP with a razor-thin 23 to 22% lead over the PNP. So my viewers and subscribers, want to hear them something you know? So basically, according to them, the CEO that do the research said, youth favor JLP, said the young people them favor the JLP more than the PNP, while the PNP strong among the older voters. This is what they're saying. So, if that is the case, which I do not agree, I do not believe that are just older people. I think it's I disagree basically. I just overall disagree. I do not believe one bit. However, this was the same man that came out and said, this was the same person that came out and said in 2020, a lot of people never vote. A lot of people never vote. That's what he said, okay? All right, to my understanding now, you see when these things happening, when I see these things happening, to me, something in a something. Yeah? I want to remember when Andrew Holness did the video, and he said that he's going to call election when him ready, when he's satisfied. Who remember that video clip? Andrew Holness said when he's satisfied, that is when he's going to call the election. Because at the time, he see that PNP was leading. So because he see that PNP was leading now, he was scared. He never wanted the election because he insisted the people was more in favor of the PNP. So now he feel like after he spend up whole heap of money and buy out the vote them, yeah, buy out the people them in things that he might go win. But one thing I want to say to the young people, yeah, I'm a young person myself, but what I want to say to the young people, if this is true, I don't know if it's true what they said, what they put out in the article, but if it is true, the young people, them lost, they're really lost. If it's true that they're in more favor than the JLP, that to show you that them licky, that for show you so them greedy, that for show you so them love likes. You understand? Them not do it for the love of Jamaica. Them a do it for the likes. Them a do it because them a get one little something. And all of them something they una have to use on wisdom and on understanding. You understand? Me I say everybody have knowledge, everybody have knowledge, but we all have wisdom. Some people don't know how to use them wisdom. We don't go beg God and pray to God and ask God to activate on wisdom, because we all have wisdom. We do. We have wisdom, but some people do not know how to use their wisdom. So, my viewers and subscribers, if this is true, that the young people is in more favor of JLP, it's just because of likes and because of greed. And they don't see where the country is heading, really. So all of this with the Samoa agreement and everything, Uno really tell me, listen, you see that some our agreement, it comes with a funding, and that funding is called grant donor. Did you guys know that? Me do my research and I read up about it. The funding that they gave to the government of Jamaica from within the Samoa agreement, they didn't tell us how much money them get. That for sure us that one bag of money, which really make no sense to me. Yeah, it no matter to me. But for sure us say a whole heap of money, which they can't even tell another figure. Because them come and said them finding a way how to fund the money, but they didn't tell you how much money they receive. So my viewers and subscribers, within this Samoa agreement, with all that being said, or with all that has been said, and we are explained to Uno, because Uno knows know what go on. So Una tell me said the young people ain't okay with it. If the young people ain't okay with it, because them are the same like Andrew Holness, they are the same as Andrew Holness. That mean to me, it come like majority of Jamaica then gone to the dogs. When I say gone to the dogs, gone over the rainbow side. Or if they not gone over the rainbow side, well, obviously, from you like it, I go vote for Andrew Holness, they must gone over the rainbow side. Because they come like, you no see out, you no look out and kulu eyes what really happen. This is why I said, if the young people, them, really have JLP in more favor of them, yeah, them favor JLP more, they are lost. Yes, they are really lost. And it is time now for no wise up and use no wisdom. Ask God to activate no wisdom, so no have sense and get some sense. Pray to the Almighty God, because what Andrew bring and the country is a destruction heading more, pantapa more of destruction. So if this article right with what they said, me really and truly feel sorry for the country. I really and truly feel so sorry for the country. So my people, wanna tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think, because I want to hear phone of views on this, because this is craziness. With all what happened, me tell you so no forgive, but don't forget. But then again, you easily forget. That's no problem. You easily forget. You no remember. You no remember nothing at all. You just stay just like Andrew Holness. If that article is true. And I think them only do this. I think they only say this because them just want PNP forget, shake up there. You know, and start to worry. The last time when Andrew Holness said PNP did a lead in the poll, that man they afraid for call election. He cancel it. Who remember the local election? Hey, Andrew, so now we believe that he's in control. Me I tell you, no man, the whole of the money where the man have, the man's a spend up for buy voters. It is alleged that is what he's doing. From good source, me get it. Yeah, but my people, tell me one thing. Put your honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Hear this. Cops release images of escapees amid manhunt. Okay, so I spoke about this yesterday, guys, and a manhunt is now underway to recapture 7 inmates who were discovered missing from the Oracabessa police station during a routine called check on Thursday morning. The cell check was conducted at approximately 6 a.m., the police said. Preliminary reports from the police are that the inmates managed to escape from custody by cutting through a ventilation grill. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, so those are the men. So, wanna just be on, wanna just try to keep safe wherever on there. Because listen, them people can there anywhere in our country right now. So we have to keep, we have to be safe. We just have to be safe and keep safe, all right? So those are the men. See them? So I just depend the lookout. Wanna get me? Yeah. Remember me telling you somebody I got update I never had the pictures yesterday, but the pictures released now. So I make you know what go on. What I go on. Alright? So tell me what you think about this. I remember you not stay out late. Listen, you not stay out late and walk on road by yourself. Be very, very careful. Information Minister Robert Morgan says the government is ready for the next local government elections. According to a recent Don Anderson poll, the JLP is attracting fierce support across the different age demographics, while the opposition PNP maintains its hold on older voters. The poll found the JLP with a razor thin 23 to 22% lead over the PNP. So you have this man him come out now, is in face? Yeah, about them ready. This is why me tell you now. Me always tell you now about JLP. The last time when the poll, I remember the last time when Andrew Holness cancelled the election, yeah, because Mark Golden was leading. I remember, and Mark Golden was so upset about it. I remember because Mark Golden was leading on the poll and him never did lead, so he get vexed and get corrupt. That man Andrew Holness where you see there, and I want good man, he get corrupt in himself, and the man say. The man can see election and say them not have no money for fund election. And that is, you know, they not have no money. And when we check it out, Andrew Holness get over 80 billion taxpayer money Andrew Holness have. Andrew just get over 80 billion taxpayer money. And Andrew Holness say he cannot fund it. He cannot fund the election. Look for other day at the conference. Look how much money Andrew Holness spend. Money on top of money. You understand me? But me just try to show on or something, you know, how Andrew Holness operate. When it was when they supposed to have the local election the other day, but Train say Mark Gold in a lead, he get corrupt in him blouse and skirt head. When you see me, and the man no cuss, the man tell lie. The man tell a liar, you know, he come and tell pure lie in front of me. I mean, I know how some people can't see it. But you see some people, this is why Andrew Holness say, uno fully rotted all done, you know. Uno fully done for true. Fully done. The man come and tell pure lie. Andrew Holness come out and say they don't have the money to fund the election, the local election. And he did get over 80 billion taxpayer money they claim back. And Andrew Holness tell lie. Just because he insisted everything was working in Mark Golden's favor. And I want easy, brother, this. This is why I lick out against Andrew Holness all the while. I don't hate Andrew, you know. I do not hate him. I just don't like what he's doing to the people of Jamaica. You understand? I do not like what he's doing. I mean, I know how the people they can see through because they get probably 1 pound of chicken and 1 pound of rice. Or they get one like a 5,000 or 10,000 at that time. They said, yes, my Prime Minister. What about the other rest of time? What about the other rest of time when you don't need help and there's no one? When you not ready, you come on social media ball and I beg, I want to need this, I want to need that. Come on. Me I tell you no man. So and he always send out this one here, you know. This one here. Andre call him send out boy. That one here. And him always come, you know, come. When Andrew Holness tired, you know, if you take a bashing, Andrew Holness is send out this one here. You think they're easy? The whole of them are corruption. The whole of them are not good person. They only pretend. Sometimes I watch some video clips with them and I say, boy, when I look at them, I say, wow, them seems like a nice person. But the things they are doing to Jamaican people, they're not a nice person. That show, you know. They're not nice. They all for themselves. They creep for themselves. And you only creep for himself and in cronies. This is what he does. I'm not even saying family, because obviously his family come with him. Yeah. He creep for all of them. This is what they do. And none of them care about the Jamaican people, because if they did care about Jamaican people, they wouldn't go and sign the Samoa agreement. They wouldn't. But because of money, you know, you see the love of money? The love of money is the root of all evil. This is why Andrew Holness do evil things to the Jamaican people. Listen, Andrew Holness sell out Jamaica, you know. You don't know what go on. This Samoa agreement, I sell Andrew Holness sell we out big time. But I don't know why you guys fail to see. Why you guys fail to see that that Andrew sell we out big time. Wanna keep on saying, oh, PJ Patterson sell out for a long time. And then Andrew, wanna stop chat rubbish. Rubbish on attack. Andrew Honest not do nothing no more. I make some little hot house. That's what he does. And you have to be in a very bad condition. Forget it. And you have to have a land. And not everybody have land. And not everybody have land. You understand? You have to have a land. If you have no land, you don't get to look matches box. And the people in a constituency alone get them the place there. You hear me? People in a constituency. And this is the thing that I do not like with Andrew Honest. I say Andrew Honest, he only do things for the media. And only can see. And this is a fair example. I'm going to tell you about that example. You don't see it already. But I'm going to remind you about it. You see, with the girl that the house where Andrew Honest destroyed Chanel in Burnham Lodge, remember, it wasn't Fear House alone Andrew Honest destroyed, It was a lot of people house got destroyed. But because her one is all over media, Andrew Honest only give her house alone. She alone Andrew Honest the house. Them tell me if this here. Tell me if this not for just social media. Because because a little the people them house around there is the same place around there. Why are only one person alone? Because that person stand out on social media. You only give back a small little matches box. Talk to my viewers and subscribers. Don't talk to me. This is why I see me coming on. And me have to just talk up the things them, You understand? Because me have to show up the things them to uno where uno can't see. Me know say no for uno can see it, but some uno cannot see it. So me have to come. Even though sometimes uno go on like uno want disrespect me. Oh, me not even when me say go on, me not talk about my lovely subscribers. You understand? Me talk about some little 1 and 2 people we think like it's stupid, ridiculous. Me just look upon uno as a failure for uno own self, failure to uno family, failure to uno future children, and failure to the country of Jamaica, and failure to our ancestors. Yes, that's how me look upon uno. It's a very disgraceful when me see uno behave like that. Bigging up Andrew Honest, very, very disgraceful and distasteful for say we how I talk about, yes, my Prime Minister, yes, Bwoy, him not do nothing good for Jamaica. I trick him, you see him make one little matches box. Look on the house where the girl did that bill. The big house, compared to where in Gear with all that the veranda there. Andrew Honest say the people when I used to them the veranda there. You're not even call it veranda. When I used to that the hitch hand sitting at the front. Cut out them this dirty style there. Them the kind of sitting here hitch hand for a house, not even tan good. I want them to know. My viewers and subscribers, this is the Prime Minister wanna always talk about where him always a hype up and said, we have big house. I big house them there, Listen, Andrew full of pure chat and no substance back at that. You understand? And when me talk, no dog back. I do not business or no feel. I do not care. Me not come and disrespect Andrew Honest. Me come and show up in dirty deeds and what he's not doing for the country. You understand? So, hopefully, he call the local election, as they said, because the one they just come out and say they're ready for it. So hopefully call it. And make sure so voting Mark Golding. Voting Mark Golding. Have to get rid of Andrew Honest. Have say Andrew Honest gonna sign some more agreement. Not understand, not say nothing yet. Hear. You see how they have come like forget. Remember the girl. Remember when I think it was early COVID time, I don't know if I remember the girl who did come out and attack against what Andrew Honest was doing, the only things them where I do, and when I lock up people and all the land them I take away. Who remember that young lady that come out and talk, and when she talk later on in the evening, then kill her? Who remember? And she was a labor right. And she never did a disrespect Andrew Holness. She was only talking and she was only saying she don't like what Andrew Holness is doing. And then in the evening they kill her. You understand me? She was sitting outside and they kill her. And everybody get afraid. So the reason why you see people don't come out and talk, people do want to talk, but people scared, especially the labor right them. You understand? Yeah, they're scared for their life. That's why they don't come out and say nothing. But my people, no tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put un honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share out the video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to all my new viewers, my new good up subscribers. Welcome, big up on a nice clean self. Hey, I love talk to Uni, you know, because I'm full of sense, you know, and full of wisdom, you know. Yes, me I talk to my good subscribers, them we're full of sense and full of wisdom, just like me. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and click the subscribe button, my people. And while you're at it, press the notification bell and click all. So when we drop a video, them wanna get them straight away. All right. Bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.